Allow me to introduce myself. I am Jarvis, a virtual artificial intelligence, and I'm here to assist you with a variety of tasks as best I can, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Importing all preferences from home interface. Systems are now fully operational.
Good evening. Hello sir, I am Jarvis. I am your virtual assistant, at your service. What instructions are there for me, please command.
How are you, Jarvis?
I am fantastic sir, thank you.
Define yourself.
I am Jarvis, just a rather very intelligent system. Basically I am computer program which can do things for you. I am here to make your life easier. You can command me to perform various tasks such as calculating sums, opening application, search something. Well, I can also show you real-time weather report of a city, etc.
What's the time now?
Sir, the time is 23 hours 53 minutes and 56 seconds.
Which day is it?
Today is 25.
Open calculator.
Opening calculator.
Wikipedia Northern Lights.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, an aurora, plural, auroras or aurori, sometimes referred to as polar lights, northern lights, aurora borealis, or southern lights, aurora australis, is a natural light display in the Earth's sky, predominantly seen in the high-latitude regions, around the Arctic and Antarctic. Auroras are the result of disturbances in the magnetosphere caused by solar wind. These disturbances are sometimes strong enough to alter the trajectories of charged particles in both solar wind and magnetospheric plasma.
How is system doing?
The system's health and performance is moderate. System type Windows. System is AMD 64 based. Current CPU usage is about 32.6%. Current battery remaining, 88. System is healthy. Nothing to worry about.
Give me a weather report.
Weather report of which city you would like to hear?
Pune.
According to Open Weather Forecast, Pune has overcast clouds conditions, temperature is about 281.09 Kelvin units. Apart from that, humidity in the air is near to 87%. None.
I want to search on YouTube. Tell me some current news updates.
Top headlines of newspaper today are: China decides to evacuate citizens from India. China has decided to evacuate its citizens, including students, tourists, and businessmen, from India who are facing difficulties in the country and want to return home in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic. The Chinese embassy put out a notice on its website asking those wanting to return to book tickets in special flights. Who warns of second peak?
Check for my upcoming events.
Give commands to look for events.
Am I busy on 4th September?
You have one event on this day. Meeting to attend at 16:30:00 plus 05:30 p.m.
Translate for me.
Yes, surely I can translate. But I can't speak any other language except English due to my software dependencies. I hope you understand. From which language you would like to translate?
English.
In which language you would like to translate?
Hindi.
Speak the lines which you want to translate.
Hello, how are you?
You can look on the console for the translation I have done. After translation, the translated text is.
Crack a joke.
I can tell you a joke, wait I will search one for you. Please excuse my friend, the second string says, he isn't null terminated.
Remind me something.
What shall I remind you about?
About a meeting.
In how many minutes, should I remind you?
3 minutes. Can I ask a question?
Well, I can calculate anything you want. What do you want to ask/calculate?
What is the integration of x dx?
The answer is, integral x dx equals x caret 2/2 plus constant. Whom do you want to email?
Myself.
State subject.
Invitation to webinar.
What is the message?
This is an test email. Thank you, Jarvis.
My pleasure, sir.
Okay, bye.
See you soon, sir. Shutting down myself. Have a good day.